Hi Tenthis, today I will start the next topic from your chapter Resource and Development. This topic is called Types of Soil. So in 10th class you have to study the 6 type of soils. These type of soils are the number 1 is alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil and the forest soil. So these are the 6 soils which you have to study in this course. So today I will teach you the alluvial soil. So if we study any soil, we have to classify into the 4 categories. First, we will discuss the formation of any soil. Then we will discuss the features of any soil. Then we will discuss the areas of the soil. And lastly, we will discuss the crops of the soil. Now, the formation will include the climate and season कि एक particular soil को कैसा climate चाहिए होता है, कैसा environment चाहिए होता है. फीचर्स मीन कि एक सॉइल के अंदर क्या क्या चीजें होती है, उसकी क्या क्या फीचर्स होते हैं, वो क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. एरियाज कि हमें वो कौन कौन से स्टेट्स में मिलेंगे, जो विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर मैप पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Last we will study about the crops, that which type of crops are grown in the alluvial soil or any type of the soil. So today in this video I will cover the alluvial soil. So let's begin. So we are starting with the alluvial soil. So सबसे पहले हम alluvial soil की क्या बात करेंगे, हम बात करेंगे alluvial soil की formation की, कि alluvial soil जो है वो form कैसे होती है. What is the formation of the alluvial soil? So the formation of the alluvial soil is that it is the interplay of 3 important Himalayan rivers, namely the Ganga, the Indus and the Brahmaputra. So the alluvial soil is made up of or is formed from the interplay. मतलब कि जब 3 इंपॉर्टेंट हिमालयन रिवर्स आपस में मिलकर किसी लैंड पे पड़ती हैं, सो वहां पे ये सॉइल क्रिएट होती है, विच सॉइल वी कॉल द एलुवियल सॉइल. So the alluvial soil is formed by the functioning or the interplay or the mixing of the 3 important Himalayan rivers. These rivers are the Ganga, the Indus and the Brahmaputra. So this is the formation of the alluvial soil. Now next we move to the features of the alluvial soil. Now there are many features of the alluvial soil which you have to understand and learn. And there are many terms in the features of the alluvial soil which you will find bit difficult to understand. So I am making somewhat easy for you to understand the features of the alluvial soil. So the first feature of the alluvial soil is that firstly it is widely spread and important soil. Why it is widely spread and important soil? Because the large amount of the agricultural works are done in the alluvial soil. The large number of crops are grown in the alluvial soil. So that is why the alluvial soil is widely spread and as well as it is a very important soil. Second feature about the alluvial soil is that it has a various proportions of sand, silt and clay. These are the materials which are found in the alluvial soil. It is dry also, it is medium also and it is clay also. So the features of the alluvial soil are widely spread and important soil, and the second it contains the various proportion of sand, silt and clay. There is also another feature for the alluvial soil is that if we move towards the river valleys, मतलब कि जहां पर river होती हैं, if we move towards the river valleys, the soil appears to be in bigger particles. आप जितना रिवर्स के पास जाओगे उतना पास जाके अगर आप वहां पे एलुवियल सॉइल देखते हैं तो आपको एलुवियल सॉइल में बड़े बड़े पार्ट्स ऑफ सैंड एंड सिल्ट दिखाई देंगे. आप जितना रिवर्स के पास जाते रहेंगे उतना आपको एलुवियल सॉइल जो है अच्छी क्वांटिटी में मिलेगा और अच्छी क्वालिटी में मिलेगा. और उस सॉइल में आपको क्या मिलेगा? अ लार्ज पार्ट्स ऑफ द सिल्ट, सैंड एंड क्ले. जितना आप रिवर्स के पास जाओगे. The next feature of the alluvial soil, the fourth feature of the alluvial soil is that कि at the place of break of slope, at the place of break of slope, the soil particles appear to be coarse. Now in this statement, in this line, in this feature, you will be confused in this what is break of slope and what is coarse. Now the break of slope means waterfall. मतलब कि जहां पे भी स्लोप होगा और रिवर जो है वो ऐसे जा रही होगी, वहां पर जो सॉइल होगी, जो ये सॉइल के पार्टिकल्स होंगे वो कोर्स अपीयर करेंगे. कोर्स मतलब देयर विल बी द लार्ज पार्ट्स ऑफ द सैंड. ओके, सो अगर हम रिवर वैलीज के पास जाएंगे, अगर जहां पे रिवर फ्लो हो रही है, अगर वहां पर एलुवियल सॉइल है, तो हमें वहां पे जो पार्टिकल्स है जैसे सैंड, सिल्ट और क्ले वो बड़े अमाउंट में दिखाई देंगे. और अगर हमने वाटरफॉल के पास एलुवियल सॉइल देखी तो वहां पर एलुवियल सॉइल में सैंड पार्टिकल्स बड़े होंगे. सो दिस वाज द एलुवियल सॉइल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट फीचर ऑफ द एलुवियल सॉइल, व्हिच इज द फिफ्थ फीचर ऑफ द एलुवियल सॉइल, इज दैट due to its fertility, मतलब कि ये बहुत ज्यादा फर्टाइल इन नेचर होती है. दैट इज वाई इट इज डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड. यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन रहती है, डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एंड intensively cultivated. बिकॉज एलुवियल सॉइल बहुत ज्यादा फर्टाइल होती है, इसीलिए एलुवियल सॉइल जहां पर भी होती है वहां पर डेंसली पॉपुलेशन होती है, मतलब वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन होती है. एज वेल एज वहां पे क्या होता है? इंटेंसिव कल्टीवेशन होती है, मतलब एग्रीकल्चर जो है वो लार्ज अमाउंट पे होता है, लार्ज स्केल पे एग्रीकल्चर होता है. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट फीचर ऑफ द एलुवियल सॉइल. नेक्स्ट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट फीचर ऑफ द एलुवियल सॉइल इज दैट it contains adequate proportions of potash. These are types of minerals which are present in the alluvial soil: potash, phosphoric acid and lime. What is lime? Lime is rich in vitamin C. So this is the feature of this soil कि adequate proportion of these minerals are found in this soil, which makes it an important soil because it contains the potash, phosphoric acid, lime, which has the vitamin C. And now why these minerals are important for this soil? Because these minerals leads to the growth of the important crops in the alluvial soil. So the important crops which are grown in the alluvial soil because of the presence of these minerals are: number 1 is the sugarcane, the second is the wheat, the third is cereal, fourth is pulses, fifth is the paddy. What we mean by paddy? Paddy means the rice. So because of the presence of these minerals like potash, phosphoric acid and lime, these crops are very much grown in the alluvial soil. Next, move to the last feature of the alluvial soil, which is very important to understand. अब हमने ये बोला कि एलुवियल सॉइल फर्टाइल होती है, लेकिन एलुवियल सॉइल का एक और फीचर होता है दैट इन द ड्रायर एरियाज, इन द ड्रायर एरियाज मतलब जिन एरियाज में बारिश कम होती है, दिस सॉइल इज alkaline in nature. This soil is alkaline in nature. What is alkaline? मैं बार बार रिपीट करती हूँ मीनिंग. What is alkaline? It is the poor structure of the soil. Poor structure of the soil, clay, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं काई. सो जहां पर भी ड्रायर एरियाज होंगे वहां पर इस सॉइल की क्वालिटी कैसी होगी? एल्कलाइन इन द नेचर, बट it can be made productive. लेकिन हम इसको वहां पर भी प्रोडक्टिव बना सकते हैं अगर हम इसको प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट दें, प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट दें एंड हम इसको इरिगेशन दें. तो ये वाली जो सॉइल है वो ड्रायर एरियाज में भी आपको क्रॉप्स जो है ग्रो करके दिखा सकती है. So these are the features of the alluvial soil. Next, after features, we will move to the next part of the alluvial soil, which is the age. अब आप कहोगे कि जब कॉलम बनाया था कि हम एवरी सॉइल को फीचर्स में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, फॉर्मेशन में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, क्रॉप्स में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे और एरियाज में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, सो ये एज कहाँ से आ गया? ये जो एज है इसलिए मैंने वहां पे नहीं लिखवाया क्योंकि दिस एज इज ओनली प्रेजेंट इन द एलुवियल सॉइल. देयर इज नो एज ऑफ एनी अदर सॉइल, सो वी हैव टू स्टडी द एज इन पर्टिकुलरली इन द एलुवियल सॉइल. नाउ देयर आर टू एजेस ऑफ द एलुवियल सॉइल. फर्स्ट इज द ओल्ड एलुवियल एंड द यंग एलुवियल. द ओल्ड एलुवियल इज कॉल्ड भंगार. The new alluvial or the young alluvial is called the khadar. Now what is the difference? Bhangar is old and it contains large amount of कंकड़ in it. कंकड़, पत्थर in it. And जो खादर है, जो young और new soil है, it is fertile in nature and contains the fine particles. Okay, so this is the age of the alluvial soil. Old, young or new. Old we called bhangar, young and new we called khadar. In bhangar there is kankad, in khadar it is fertile and has the fine particles. I think the age is clear. Next, after age we are moving to the next part of the alluvial soil. In the next part we will talk about the areas of the alluvial soil, कि कौन कौन से एरियाज में एलुवियल सॉइल हमें मिलती है. अब सबसे पहले एलुवियल सॉइल वहां पे मिलेगी जहां पर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन रहती है, जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा एग्रीकल्चर होता है. तो ऐसा एरिया कौन सा है? दिस एरिया इज नोन एज नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. सो इन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स वी फाउंड द एलुवियल सॉइल. द सेकेंड एरिया इज राजस्थान, क्योंकि हमने ड्रायर एरियाज की बात करी थी. Rajasthan and Gujarat. After this, the next area is the eastern coastal plains, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri. What do you mean by the deltas? Deltas are the wetlands. Deltas are the wetlands which are formed due to the when rivers empty their water. Okay, so deltas are the wetlands which are formed when the rivers empty their water. So these are the three areas where we found the alluvial soil. We also found alluvial soil in the fourth area. There is also the fourth area for the alluvial soil. The fourth area for the alluvial soil is that, 1 minute. ये हो गया. Piedmont Plains. Piedmont Plains. What are Piedmont Plains? Piedmont Plains are the gentle slope. Okay, these are the gentle slopes. And Piedmont प्लेन्स के बहुत सारे नाम हैं, लेकिन आपकी बुक में 3 नाम है जहां पर हमें ये वाली सॉइल मिलती है. These are Dows, Chos and Terai. Okay. So the fourth area where we get the alluvial soil is the Piedmont Plains. Piedmont Plains are known as gentle slope, and these gentle slopes have names like Dwar, Kos and Terai. So these are the areas where we found the alluvial soil. Now the last thing which we have to understand is the crops. कि कौन कौन सी जो crops है वो grow होती है alluvial soil में with the help of the presence of potash, phosphoric acid and lime which is the vitamin C. So which are the crops grown in alluvial soil with the help of these type of minerals? The first crop which is grown in the alluvial soil is the sugar cane. The second crop is the paddy. What is paddy? Paddy is the rice. The next thing is the wheat. Next is cereals and pulses. So these are the crops which are grown in the alluvial soil. I think today's class is clear to you. Let's recapitulate what we have done today in the class. So in the class, in today's video, I taught that there are 6 types of the soils. These are the alluvial soil, laterite soil, arid soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, forest soil. And today in the class, I have covered the alluvial soil. In the alluvial soil, we first talked about its formation, that the alluvial soil is formed by the interplay or interfunctioning of the 3 Himalayan rivers. These are the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. The second thing which we have studied in the alluvial soil part is the features of the alluvial soil. So there are 7 features of the alluvial soil. The first feature is that it is densely populated and intensely cultivated because of its fertility. Secondly, it is very important soil and it is widely spread. The third important thing is that it has a various proportions of the sand, silt and clay. The fourth important is that it contains the adequate proportion of the important minerals like potash, phosphoric acid, lime, vitamin C, which helps in the growth of the various type of crops. The fifth thing is that we have studied that कि अगर हम रिवर वैलीज के पास जाते हैं तो इसमें जो पार्टिकल्स है वो हमें समवॉट बिगर दिखाई देते हैं, और अगर हम ब्रेक ऑफ स्लोप के पास जाए तो सॉइल हमें थोड़ी बहुत कोर्स दिखाई देती है. एंड द लास्ट फीचर विच वी हैव स्टडीड दैट इन द ड्रायर एरियाज इट इज एल्केलाइन इन नेचर and it can be improved through the methods of treatment and the irrigation. The last thing is the age. In age, we studied that there are 2 types of age of the alluvial soil. The first is the Bangar and the second is Khadar. The Bangar is the old alluvial soil. Khadar is the new alluvial soil. The old alluvial soil consists of the conchars. The new alluvial soil consists of the fine particles and it is fertile in nature. The next thing which we have studied about the soil is that the areas are the northern plains, the eastern coastal plains, especially the deltas of Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri, and more areas like the Piedmont plains, जिसमें हमने किन तीन के बारे में पढ़ा, द्वार, कौस and Terai. And there is one more regions for the alluvial soil is the Rajasthan and Gujarat. So I think today's class is clear to you. I will cover the next soil in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and you can comment for the online notes and online tuitions as well. Thank you.